People, welcome back to Yard and Abroad TV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. Wagwan people, wagwan, welcome back to my channel once again. Big up in yourself and thank you guys for tuning in. So today people, we're going to talk about a Jamaican man deported from the US over double murder, but he has since been freed, people. So I'm getting this from the Jamaica Gleaner, people, and the story is very complex and a lot of misunderstanding and probably a lot of he say, she say things, people. So I'm going to read the story from the Gleaner. So it's Oral Nelson, a 32-year-old Jamaican who faced a double murder charge shortly after he was deported from the United States of America in August 2019, was freed last week of the charges, but says the ordeal has left him traumatized and depressed. He goes on to say, my deportation has severely affected my 12-year-old daughter, who to this day cannot understand why I'm not at home with the family, said Nelson. He had gone to the US in September 2015 as a conditional permanent resident after his wife had filed for him. On May 31st, 2018, Nelson says he was at home with his wife and their daughter when he was taken into custody by the St. Louis City police on suspicion of dealing in narcotics. So him damn yard sit down and relax and police barging upon him of suspicion or suspicious activities that he was probably involved in selling narcotics. So them come in and get him. After informing the police of his nationality, he was told that a hold had to be put on him and he was transferred into custody of the Immigration and Custom Enforcement representatives. Nelson says he was advised on June 4, 2018 that he had no status in the USA because his green card has expired. Damn, how you manage to make your green card expired? That is something that you definitely keep track of and make sure everything is updated with your legal status, people. I'm telling you, just make sure always updating a green card and file for citizenship or whatever you want to do, but make sure everything is correct. When he appeared before the immigration court, a representative of Homeland Security reportedly mentioned that an arrest warrant for Nelson had been issued in Jamaica. Nelson was among 60 Jamaicans deported in August last year. On his arrival, he was placed in custody and subsequently charged with the murders of Barrington Hutchinson and Fabian Tucker. They were shot dead on Henderson Avenue off Olympic Way, Kingston 11 on June 7, 2015. Damn, was this a case of him know say him I get filed for if you go to the US, so him just do a one killing and cut? Who knows? Me not know people and just stating what probably could have happened. You see me? Attorney at law Everton Bird, who represented Nelson, said committal proceedings began on October 7th this year in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court and was adjourned to November 12th. Bird explained that the main prosecution witness denied giving the statement which was served on the defense. Bird further disclosed that the witness gave a second statement on November 26, in which he stated that the words in the first statement, which had perfect English, were not his words, as he did not speak like that, having grown up in a garrison community all his life. In the second statement, the witness said that he could not see who shot the men because he was running when he heard the shots. The parish judge, in discharging Nelson, said that in the second statement, the witness stated categorically that he could not identify the person's face. Nelson is upset that he was denied bail and had to spend more than a year in custody before he was acquitted. Jano. It bothers me to know that the police could issue a warrant for my arrest based on hearsay evidence. Nelson says he has never been involved in any kind of criminal activities in Jamaica or the USA. He added that he was the sole breadwinner for his family and is anxious to be reunited with his family. Questions as to why he did not renew his residency status. He said his wife was in the process of renewing it when he was taken into custody. He explained that arising from the visit to his home, his wife was incarcerated and will be released later this month. So the wife was locked up as well. Jano. He said that he has been advised by an immigration lawyer that as soon as his wife is released, she can resume the process of extending his permanent residency. He said further that when he appeared in court in the US, the judge had told him that his return to the country depended on the outcome of the case in Jamaica. Nelson goes on to say the justice system has ruined my life because if it were not for hearsay evidence, I would not have been deported. I know people like, I don't know if it's so them catch him or accuse him of smuggling narcotics and then them deport him to Jamaica, and as soon as him arrive at Jamaica, them lock him up. After he say, she say evidence. I know people that rough. That well rough, me not gonna lie. I know he has a 12-year-old daughter. I wonder where daddy there. But that's what I say, people. Sometimes you have to stay out of trouble or just stay by yourself. Sometimes, or majority of the time, your best company is your own company. You see me? Your best company are your own company. You by yourself. May I tell the people, because sometimes you get involved with some people and you don't know what they have been doing. You see me? Cause watch I know him just move go St. Louis. You don't know who him lick head with, you don't know what kind of company him a keep up. And him don't know for them you the past. You don't know what they have been doing. And him can just get himself caught up. But I know people, as me say, me just sorry say him daughter have your experiences and I grew up without daddy by her side. I know people. But as me say, yo people, leave in the comment section when you think about this case. And once I get more information on it, I will definitely let you guys know what going on with that one. You see me say, people? Yeah, man. Much love and appreciation. Big up in yourself, people. Love you know.